Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set weight based shipping charges globally in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see shipping, free shipping. So we are going to apply weight based shipping charges globally. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce weight based shipping. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see shipping tab, so click on it. So if we want to apply weight based shipping globally, so we are going to delete shipping zone. Now you see weight based shipping, so this is our global option, but we have shipping zone. Now you see we created. If we want this globally, then we are going to delete this, so click on delete. Okay, now deleted and we have no shipping method. Now you see weight based shipping, so this is our global option, so click on it, and then you see go to shipping zone, or you can set up global shipping rule for weight based shipping. So we are going to set up global, so click on it, and then you see weight based shipping, so we are going to add first rule, so click on it, and then you see title, destination, product, weight, value, shipping, and then you see note. So we are going to set weight based shipping rule based on weight only, not any price. Just we are going to set shipping charges for product weight based only. So we are going to add title, so you can add title according to your requirement, and then you see destination, so we are going to set globally. Now you see if you want you can select specific country or any country, we select all. Now you see destination any, and then you see product all. If you want more feature based on product or anything, then you can upgrade this plugin, and then you see weight. So we are going to set shipping charges based on weight only. Now select, now 0. Now you see up to excluding, so we are going to set up to 5, but we are going to add 6. Now you see 6, but 6 not charge. Now you see up to excluding, so this means 0 to 5, and then you see price. If you want you can set price, but we are going to set weight based shipping only on product weight, and then you see shipping free. Now select. Now you see free, flat, progressive, flat plus progressive, so you can select. So we select flat. Now it means if product weight or cart weight between 0 to 5, then we are going to charge $10. If you want you can add some note. Now you see we added this note, and we are going to add more rule. Now you see add rule, so click on it. Again you can add title, weight to, destination any. Now you see weight any, so you can add 6 up to maximum. We are going to add more. If you want you can add more rules according to your requirement. Now you see from 6, and then you see value. Here 6 not adding in this rule, 6 is excluding, we not add any value. Price, shipping, again flat, or if you want you can use flat plus progressive. Now you see charge, we are going to charge 20 for first 10. If then quantity weight increase like 5, and then you see 2 more field, then every, so after every 5 kg, like we added 5 here, so after every 5 kg increase on cart and checkout page, we are going to charge $5 more. For first 10 kg we are going to charge 20, but after every 5 kg increase we are going to charge $5, and then click on OK. Now you see edit, so you can add note. So we added note, first 10 kg for 20, and after every 5 kg we are going to charge $5. If you want you can add more rules, and then click on save. Now save done, go to cart page and refresh the page. Now in cart page you see product weight 5 kg, total weight for quantity 10 kg. We are displaying this by using custom code. This code we are using, and you will find this video link in video description, how to display product weight, total weight for quantity, total order weight in cart and checkout page. Now you see weight quantity 10 kg to, now you see shipping weight 220. if we increase quantity and then click on update cart, for after every 5 kg we are going to charge 5 more, and then you see 25, 15, again increase and then click on update cart. Now you see charge 30. Now make it one quantity and then click on update cart. So it will make shipping charges for weight 10. Now you see. So in this way you can apply shipping charges based on product weight globally in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.